Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, open your Unity project and set the project frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth playback. Next, set the game view resolution to 1920x 1080 for standard HD output. Position the main camera and adjust its field of view and clear flags for the desired framing. Add or adjust scene lighting and bake global illumination when you need consistent lighting across frames. Save the scene and confirm all animated objects are active and visible in the timeline before rendering. Install the Unity Recorder package via Package Manager and open the Recorder window from Window General. Click Add New Recorder and choose Movie Recorder to export video files directly from the timeline. Set the format to MP4, set the frame rate to 30 FPS, and set a bitrate of about 10 Mbps for a balance of quality and file size. Choose a clear output path and enable capture audio if you need soundtrack or dialogue recorded. Arm the recorder and preview a short sequence first to verify settings. For higher quality, render to an image sequence like PNG files and keep them lossless for post-processing. If you use an image sequence, assemble frames into an MP4 using an external tool like FFmpeg and set desired encoding parameters. Otherwise, use Recorder Movie with MP4 and finalize bitrate and resolution in the recorder settings before recording. Always verify audio sync by capturing a short clip and checking it in a player. Finally, review the rendered file and re-render with adjusted settings if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.